Hello, welcome back to Flower Tea Paradise. Today we are going to start watching Startup. Finally, everybody says such good things about this K-drama. It has Suzy in it, so I am pretty excited already. I have not seen anything about this drama on social media because I was really scared of getting spoilers, but I do know that we get a serious case of second lead syndrome, so I am already prepared. Is that my boy? Oh no, oh, it's the second lead, right?
오늘은 운명의 신이 당신의 잔잔한 일상에 미풍을 불어보내는 날입니다.
He's asking about the weather, not the fortune. I think it's fate. Oh, hello, Suzy. How are you, baby? You're still really pretty. These Korean actresses are so damn beautiful. They just rub in my face how ugly I am. She walks around with her head held high, you know, it's just so refreshing to see a female lead being so powerful and, I don't know, beautiful.
그래서 나 신경 끊었어요. 복수하려고.
Oh, wow. Okay, she's really good at this. She just crushed him. Is she a bad person?
원인재입니다.
So Inje does not like to use the other surname. What happened? I have so many questions already and we are like, what, 10 minutes in the episode? She's fierce ever since her childhood days, huh?
배고파서 본 거 아닙니다.
What? What just happened here?
이러지 마시고
Is this treatment okay?
가면서 끼세요.
Oh my fucking god.
Who the fuck does he think it is?
Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. This is so sad. Why would someone do that to a person?
미안하다.
Why are you saying you're sorry? Oh, did you quit?
우리 이혼하자.
I mean, I think you made the right decision, okay? You could not stay in that job any longer.
계좌 못 틉니다. 만 19세 이하라.
Wow, he's really young.
엄마 아빠랑 같이 엄마 아빠 없습니다.
He just left the orphanage. He's always on the defensive side, though.
고생 저한테 사세요. 내 싸게 팔 테니까.
Wow, I'm using that catchphrase from now on. This is really good and depressing at the same time. Oh, he's so cute, but I feel so bad because of his situation. Wait, does he even have some place to sleep? I like her. She's a good lady. This Ajuma, I like her a lot. I'm gonna cry. Why does he have to suffer so much? He's starving.
야, 손이.
He's a good boy.
누구? 저요?
Yes, you're a good boy. They act like a family already. I love this.
아침 저녁쯤은 내가 차려줄 수 있으니까.
She's trying so hard to get his trust and make him live with her. So this is where everything started for Ji Pyong, right? He became that huge CEO because he decided to start investing in stuff. That's really cool. It's so funny because I don't think he's the male lead of the drama, but he's the first person that we have been in contact with from the first episode. I think that's why people got such a strong second lead syndrome from this K-drama. They're focusing a lot on him. That's where it starts. That's where it starts. Naomi is gonna think that Do-sun is the one who sent her the letters.
오빠, 나 연애 편지 받았다.
Oh, she's so happy.
들어봐봐.
She's even like putting her hair behind her ear.
여름엔 새하얗던 겨울을 그리워하며
Okay, this is kind of romantic. Yeah, I feel it too.
어느 순간보다도 설레고 빛나고 있음에 너에게 감사하며.
Oh my god, even I am falling in love already. I bet her dad is going through a hard time because he just quit his job, right?
뭐 일단 지르고
He seems like a good person too, like a kind-hearted person.
1년만
A year, okay, I can do that. I will hold on to it, okay? Oh, so they did have some kind of a good relationship even after the separation and everything. So what went wrong? Oh, Inje is starting to change. Did you see that?
What happened?
Oh, that's really cold. Oh, she's so different. Maybe something bad is happening between Inje and the mom. I don't know. Something must have happened for her to change her personality so suddenly. She's trying so hard. I'm rooting for you, mister, okay? You go. Fighting, fighting, go, go. Look, he's enjoying it already. I told you. He's liking it now.
The OST is also beautiful. I just love it so far.
월급날 겨우 치킨 사오잖아. 그건
Oh
안
my
질리대?
god, girl. Do not act like this, okay? It's your family.
시간이 말해줄 거야. 누구 선택이 맞았는지.
Inje, I really think you are the one who made the wrong choice, girl. I mean, you changed so much. Oh my god, she just grabbed her hair like that. Well, there's nobody to break it off, so they're just gonna keep fighting non-stop until someone shows up just to break them.
있어. 다른 사람.
I think it's Dosun. Wait, are they still exchanging letters?
이름이 있다.
And I bet she has never even met the guy. Of course she hasn't. If she did, she would know that Dosun is not really Dosun, right?
어제도 만났는데?
Oh, I don't think you did, girl. Oh, that's so sad.
That's just me in life right there.
네가 창업에 뜻이 있으면 인맥 넓히기 좋은 자리일 거야.
Is that a trap? I feel like that's a trap. Oh, there she goes. She's gonna do something mean.
없는 남자친구까지 동원해가면서 창업 운운하는 널 보니까
That is so mean. That is so mean. Stop doing that. You should be helping your sister. Dami, you're crazy. Oh, she's pissed. My girl is pissed right now.
부산이랑 같이 갈게.
Oh, girl, do not do something that you cannot make come true.
I'm scared for her now.
미쳤구나, 서다미.
Yeah, you are kind of crazy, baby. You are. You're gonna get brain damage if you keep, banging your head against stuff. Why is she like this? She's crazy. Oh my god, what is happening right now? She's crazy. I think she's sick in the head. She banged her head too many times against the glass.
주시.
Yes, Ji-pyong has been doing that. It's my boy, Ji-pyong, Ji-pyong, yes.
님, 이거 다 해약할까요?
I love him already. It's just the first episode. Oh God, help me.
이 뭐예요?
Oh no, she used his money to give to her son? What the fudge is she doing right now? Oh no, please don't cross that. Please do not get into an accident right now, okay? Do not get into an accident. I just fucking knew it. I knew this was gonna happen. Oh my god.
Is he gonna die?
긴장을 해서 그런지 엄청 떨리네요.
This is not nervousness, There's something wrong with your head, man. Go to the hospital.
다음 주 중으로 바로 쏘겠습니다.
Oh wow, you did it! You made it! Yes, you did it!
감사합니다.
Now go to the hospital. Come on, go to the hospital.
구피.
Oh no! I'm scared. Is he gonna die?
This drama is messing with my emotions.
허구 할머니가 떡하니 나타났네.
That is really mean. Okay, I am so anxious right now. That's why shit hit the fan, huh? Is that his money? It's his money!
Holy shit.
내 돈 줬어.
She got me. They got me right there. I really thought she had given her son all his money. Oh no. Now he feels guilty about it. But she should have said something earlier. She's just like her father, I think. She made the right choice, not Injae, I'm rooting so much for them right now. I'm crying.
치킨이 먹고 싶어서.
She believed in her father since the beginning. She never gave up on him like Injae did,
사랑해.
I'm gonna cry. If this guy dies, I'm gonna lose it.
다음 주 중으로 조율해 봅시다.
네.
Okay, we can do that. He's not gonna die. I'm pretty sure he has a concussion and he is not going to the hospital. What is this man thinking?
모래바닥이었으면 참 좋겠어요. 그럼 마음껏 사업할 텐데.
That's where they got the idea. So that's it. So that's the girl in the picture is actually her. It's only the first episode and this drama just made me cry like 3 times already.
힘들면 연락해.
Call me if you're going through a rough patch.
비 오는데 갈 데 하나 없으면 와.
Oh no.
I have a feeling that later on this is gonna happen and it's gonna make me cry reverse. I feel like there's been so much going on just in the first episode. My head hurts already. Oh god, this is so cute. Why do these people make us like Ji-pyung so much? This is only the first episode and I love him so much already. Baby, you deserve so much happiness, okay? You go, become rich and happy and handsome. Oh no, I can't. I'm gonna cry if he dies on me right now. Why won't he go to the hospital? Oh no. Can somebody please take him to the hospital? He's gonna die. Oh please, just tell me he's not dead. Oh no. This is so sad. Oh my god, why are they doing this to me in the first episode? This is not normal. They are doing this on purpose. I'm a mess. I'm such a mess right now. This is ridiculous. I hate this. Baby, you are so strong, okay? Oh my god. This is killing me slowly. I just want to go to the corner of my room and just cry myself to sleep. I'm tired. I'm so tired right now. I feel like a truck ran over me. It's good boy.
슈팅이냐?
Yeah, that's him.
너 갈 데가 없어? 어?
I want him to myself, okay? I want him now. Give me Ji-pyung right now. Ji-pyung is mine. Now they're gonna show us Do-san. Now is the time to show us. At the end of the first episode, they spend the entire episode showing us Ji-pyung and how he suffered in his life. They are doing this on purpose to make us doubt our choices in this drama, okay? I want Dao-mi to end up with Ji-pyung, but I have a feeling that she's not gonna end up with him, and I hate this already. Am I gonna love you, Do-san? Can you make me love you even more than I do love Ji-pyung? Can you actually do that? Are you capable of that? I'm so exhausted. I don't even have the strength to actually cheer for him. I know that this drama is gonna be so good, but I'm gonna cry so much throughout the drama, aren't I?
I'm sorry that you had to see me like this.
That's it, guys. This is episode 1 of Startup. Tell me in the comments, what did you think of it? Did you also cry like I did? Because I cried like a baby.